Welcome. Today we have an exciting update for Smart Learning Suite. We've integrated it with Google Tools and Workflows, which means for teachers that now they can create, deliver, organize, and share their lessons directly from Google Drive. This is great news for administrators too, because it means your teachers don't have to learn a new tool. They can use something they're already familiar with. They don't have to go to a different website to access Smart Learning Suite online. And I'm going to show you how to set that up right now by going to the G Suite Marketplace and installing the Smart Learning Suite app. So in order to deploy the Smart Learning Suite app, you need to be a G Suite admin. As an admin, you can go to the G Suite Marketplace, search for the Smart Learning Suite app, and then when you find it, choose Domain Install. And what this will do is it will make the app appear in everyone's Google Drive across your organization. So now when teachers go to Google Drive, under the New button, they have the option under More to actually create a Smart Learning Suite online lesson. So as you can see, Smart Learning Suite Online integrates with the Google tools and workflows that your teachers are already familiar with. And this is great news for you because it's going to save you a ton of time on installation and training, and it's also going to save your teachers time every day because they're using a platform that they're familiar with. So if you're an administrator, head on over to the G Suite Marketplace and give this a try.